Hey everybody, this video is for the group break ending on February 21st, 2018 at 7:19 p.m. That's when the Washington Capitals went. That is the last team that went. It is now... That's the other one. 9:51 p.m. February 21st, 2018. Let's get this saw sheet back up. Alright. Here are the teams. No one took the Ducks, so I guess that's me. Robert, you got the Coyotes. Martha, you got the Bruins. Robert, Sabres. Flames are mine, I guess. Stan, Hurricanes. Martha, Blackhawks. Outlaw, Avalanche. Sir Joshua, Columbus Blue Jackets. Dallas Stars are no ones. AC Spartan. You got the Red Wings, Martha Oilers, Stan Panthers, Stan Kings, Masco Wild, Sheldobrow Canadians. I've got the Predators. Is that right? Pretty sure that's right. I thought every Predator sold. I'm just double checking that real quick. Yep, Nashville Predators did not sell. Okay, moving on. So, Robert, you got the Devils, Stan Islanders, Tommy Rangers, Sheldo Senators, JNC Cards Flyers, Chirp Plunkett, Penguins, Stan, you've got the Sharks, the Blues, and the Lightning, Chart Leafs, Charlie Canucks, Martha Knights, D33DS Capitals, and JNC Cards Jets. And if you watch the video I sent out, that shows you which boxes we'd be using, and that would be box number 1 and box number 2, which I will show. We've got 0523558891. And 0523558889. Get it on both. There you go. And come on, focus. 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 Come on, now focus. Now, you can look at, if you, for some reason that's not focusing, but you can look at it on the YouTube video. I promise you, they are the same boxes. Alright, good luck everyone. Is everything on? Jesus. Back there, a little bit way up. For the St. Louis Blues Extravagant Materials jersey of Brett Hull. Decoy. For the St. Louis Blues, jersey of Vladimir Tarasenko. Decoy. That's a thick one. We'll come back to that. For the St. Louis Blues, 84 out of 299, Vladimir Tarasenko. Decoy. All right, the big one. That's a big card. Ooh, very good. All right. For the Vancouver Canucks, rookie shadow box auto of Brock Besser. Congrats to whoever got Vancouver. That's a nice hit. Hey, we've had a really good hit in both boxes, or both breaks so far. All right, next box. I think we're having a hard time beating that one. It's a pretty good hit. Pretty good hit. For the New York Rangers, 18 out of 149, auto of Kevin Shattenkirk. Decoy. For the Ottawa Senators, 72 out of 299, Logan Brown. Decoy. Another thick one. For the Edmonton Oilers, extravagant materials jersey, Cam Talbot. 2-color. Decoy. And got another thick one. Jeez. Come on now. For the Phoenix or Arizona Coyotes, shadow box rookies, not autoed, but Clayton Keller. Alright, that is the end of that break. Look for the next video, or, well, we have one more break after this, but after that I'll be doing a separate video. Someone from these breaks will be receiving a box of Upper Deck Series 2. Well, it's a blaster, but it's free. So, alright. Thank you, everyone.